Magician channel. In this video, we are going to learn about expanded form of algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? We know about it. There is no sign of equality. They are giving just you some alphabets and the numbers that is going to make an algebra and how to solve these. Why? Expanded form. It means you have to open the brackets and then solve it. So let's take a start. Let's suppose they are giving you this kind of the question. What is happening there? If I am looking these questions, I have to solve this question. What I am observing here, 7 is knocking at the door of y plus 3. 3 is knocking at the door of y plus 1. It means this 7 wants to meet with y and it wants to meet with 3. Not only y, mostly students are doing this mistake. They are going to multiply with this number, but they always forgot the next number. No way. Yes, this is the separator, but it belongs to the whole bracket. And this 7 is outside of the whole bracket. So when we are going to open this, we have to multiply it with 2, 2 step by step. How it's going on? Look at 7 multiply with y. Why I am doing the multiplication here? Because the parenthesis means it's bracket, that is another name of parenthesis, and that is the meaning of multiplication. It means they are going to multiply. When there is no sign, it means there is the multiplication. So you have to cross these two numbers. So 7 multiply with y, 7y. And then 7 is going to multiply with 3. 7 times 3, 21. And what about the plus sign? It is as it is. Now what is happening here? 3 is knocking at the door of y plus 1. So it will becomes when the door opens, it meets with y. And after that, it meets with 1. So what is happening there? 3y plus sign will be as it is. And 3 ones are 3. Wow. Now the bracket has been opened. And what's going on? Look at, we have a number of terms after that. Now we are standing here and now we have to move on towards the next step. I am thinking here what I have to do, how we can solve out. We know the algebraic rules. Can I add like terms? Yes. So what are these the like terms? If I have 7y, someone has given me 3y. So what are these? I have 10y. Okay, so 7y plus 3y becomes 10y. While 21 plus 3, definitely I know it's 24. So what will be my final answer? 10y plus 24. Can I just solve further? No way, because this having y, but this having no y. So can I add these? No way. They are different terms. Someone having Y stage and someone having no Y stage. Okay? So we can add just like terms. So move on. Let's solve B. Question B. Now the situation has been changed. 4 is outside of the whole bracket. That is x plus 2. So first 4 multiplied with x. That will be 4x. Now this 4 multiplied with 2, that will be 4 times 2, 8. And the plus sign will remain same. Okay, shall we move on? Next, yes, we are moving towards the next bracket. So plus sign will be as it is. 3 multiplied with x, that is 3x. And 3 multiplied with 3, that is 9. So what happening? Yes, Yahoo! We are opening the whole brackets, the given brackets. Yes, or once I have opened, so what are these? I am collecting different types of terms. And now I'm standing here. Now the next step will be, first step has been done, and next step will be, if they are, if we have the like terms, so we can add the like terms. 4x plus 3x will be 7x. 8 plus 9 will be 17. So can I solve further? No, No, because now in these two, there is no like terms. So we are not going to add, and this will be my final answer. Okay, so let's move on the third part. Can I solve easily? Why not? 3 is knocking at the door of W minus 1 and it wants to meet with 2 together. But what is happening there? The sign has been changed. It will be 3y. No, 3w. Minus will be as it is. 3 times 1 will be 3. So what comes? 3w minus 3. When I am moving forward, what is happening there? Plus will be as it is, 2 becomes W, 2W. Now this 2 again multiplied with 3. What is happening there? 2W plus 6. Once I am open that brackets, two brackets given to me, that's why I'm going to open these two. Otherwise, they are giving me how many number of brackets we have to open them. Okay, so once I am opening these brackets, I am collecting different terms. That's great. And once I am getting these terms, what I have to do? Yes. What I have to do? Collect like terms. What are the like terms? 3W, 2W, those having the same variables. How many these are? 5W. Okay. Now, what about the numbers? 6 plus 6 and this is minus 3. So plus 6 minus 3 will be plus 3. Can I solve further? No way, not possible. So this will be my final answer. So when I'm going to solve further, once I have like terms, if there is no like terms in algebraic expression, how can I add? Numbers should be added in numbers. And the same variable should be in the same variable just like this. I can add these two together because it belongs to one family. But if they are not belonging to one family, how I can add R in Y? Not possible. So must remember it if they are having the same variable. What are the variables? Alphabets. You know about it. Why I am using in small alphabets? Because it's my rule. We have to use always the small alphabets in algebra. Okay, so 5r plus 3 plus there is no bracket in the starting. No matter, it should be as it is. I know it should be as it is. So now, when I'm moving forward, what I am observing here, it's 2 is outside of the 2 is yes outside of the bracket, that is r plus 9. So 2 is going to multiply with r and 2 is going to multiply with 9. So once I'm going to open this bracket, what is happening there? It's become this. And what about this part? 5r plus 3. It should be as it is. I'm writing same. It's not necessary they always give you two brackets. According to the situation we have to solve, according to the demand of the question we have to solve. This part should be as it is. Okay. We can solve this? No, not possible. We can open this? Yes. The question will tell you how you have to do it. Okay, so first step has been done and expand the brackets. We are going to expand and collect the different terms. What are different terms? Now I have 5r plus 3 and 2r plus 18. We have solved these, but this part will be same. Okay, so what we have to do after this? We know we have to solve further. 5r plus 2r. How many r's I have? 7r. Okay. 3 plus 18. How it becomes 21. Can I solve further? Not possible. So this will be my final answer. Move on. In part E. Okay, I know the strategy. Those numbers who is knocking at the door of the bracket, look at here. 6 wants to meet with 2k and 6 wants to meet with 1. So when they are going to meet with, what is happening there? I am getting 12k plus 6. I am getting 12k plus 6. Now, what happened when I'm moving forward? What I am observing here? Wow, 4 wants to meet with 2k, 4 wants to meet with 5. And must remember one thing, sign multiply with sign because it's you have to consider plus 4. Okay, number multiply with number, 4 times 2 8, and there is no k, otherwise k multiply together. But these are the first first kind, they are not giving you any power. Okay, it's just when I'm collecting this 2 4 by 2k, it's 8k, and plus sign will be as it is. Now it's again plus multiply with plus, that is plus as it is, 4 multiply with 5, that is yes, 20. So it means you are going to multiply with the number also. It's plus 4. Okay. Okay. So what I am getting the result? I am getting the different terms, collecting different terms. And once I am getting the different terms, we know about it. We have to collect the like terms together. This is my rule. So 12k plus 8k. What are these? 20k. While 6 plus 20, what are these? It's 26. Yahoo! I'm getting the result. Move on. 2 wants to meet with 2m. 2 wants to meet with 3. 2, 2, 4. M should be as it is. 2 times 3, 6. Okay, plus sign should be as it is. 2 times 3, 6. M. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, so now the numbers should be added in the numbers, while like term should be added in the like terms. 4m plus 6m, 10m, 6 plus 2, 8m. Yahoo! What about these? Now, the sum they are giving you the different signs. But this having the plus sign, 11 and they are giving you different variables. They are using different alphabets. But the rule of the maths will be same. You have to rule, follow the same rule. 11 is going to multiply, wants to meet with, and wants to meet with 2 now. Okay, so we can multiply with 11. Yes. So 11 and this should be 22. When I'm moving forward, it should be 3 and now the situation has been changed. Plus minus minus. Okay. Now they are giving you different signs, so you have to multiply with the sign. Plus minus, the result will be negative. Plus minus minus. You know, when two different signs are going to multiply, the result should be minus. When two same signs going to multiply, the result should be positive. How? When you are going to multiply minus minus, two signs same, result positive. Two signs same, result positive. Must remember it. If the two signs are same, the result should be positive. Yes, this is the rule of mathematics. But the different signs, if I'm going to multiply different signs, the result should be negative. Okay? Okay. So when I'm going to expand these brackets, again I'm collecting different like terms, different unlike terms. Some are like, some are unlike. What are the like? Those are belonging to the one family, definitely. We are like those, we are those who are the families, those belongings to us. 11 and plus 3 and it becomes 14 and while 22 minus 6, it will become 16. Can I solve further? Can I add 14 plus 16? No, dear. It's having n. It belongs to n family. And look at, there is no n. Am I clear? This is a simple number. It's not having any variable. If having like just like b, can I add this? No way. Look, the status of this 16b is different. While this belongs to n family. The, yes, they are belonging to the different families. How you can add them? Am I clear? So like term should be added in algebraic expressions. Why these are the algebraic expression? We know about it. They are giving you different terms. There is no sign of the equality. They are not giving you the equations. They are just giving you some simple algebra, and you are going to open these brackets, and once you are going to open these brackets, what you have to do? Collect according to the given equation. That is, it means, can I add these like terms? Yes. If there is no like term, you will not going to add them. This will be the final answer. But the next step should be possible here. That's why I am going to add these two together. Okay. So first step will be always you have to expand the brackets, and 2 is not only with the 9p. Actually this 2 wants to meet with two numbers. Why? Because inside of the bracket two numbers are given to you. If inside of the bracket three numbers are given to you, you have to multiply it with these three numbers. Okay? It means this 2 is outside of, look at what is it? It's 2 roaming around of the whole bracket. That is 2 roaming around. And it's with 9p and it's with minus 4. Am I clear? So that's why the result is 9 times 2, it's 18p. While 4 multiplied with 2 is minus 8. Get my point? Okay, that's great. 18p plus 4p should be 22p. And what about the numbers? Plus 14 minus 8 should be plus 6. Okay, so now can I solve these two? Why not? It's very simple. 90, that's great. 9 times 3, 27. That's great. If I'm solving these two together, I can solve with these. Okay, now I am moving forward. What I am observing here, this 2, 3 multiplied with this. Okay, 60 plus minus will be minus, and this is minus 3. Okay, so can we collect like terms again? 60, 90, 15t, 27 minus 33, it means minus 6. Why? Because the sign always you have to consider the bigger number sign. Okay, you know this rule? Okay, I'm repeating this. Look at the number minus 33 plus 27. It means you have to subtract 27 from 33. But what the sign you are getting here? The bigger number sign. Okay? Because 33, you are considering the 33, not minus 33. Because minus 33 is entirely different. That is the smaller number. But look at the 33 and 27 are given to you. You are going to subtract it and you are getting the result of 6. And the bigger number having the sign of the negativity, that's why we are getting, or we are writing or showing the minus sign here. Okay, otherwise you can follow my video how to add integers, different integers, and there is the whole description how we are getting these signs by applying loan money method. So you can follow that video in my video playlist. Okay. Yes. So what is happening there? 3a. Okay. Now this 3 going to multiply. So I'm getting these results. Now I know the rule. Okay. But look at here. The sign has been changed. Okay. They are giving you different signs. Okay. And those sign we are giving you, we are using the same sign. We are not going to change it out. If it is 3, so minus 3 is going to multiply it. Okay, so in the next coming videos you will observe the different signs, but this is very simple. We are just learning about how to expand these with different signs and with different numbers, and the constant and the different numbers are given to you, and how you can solve it and collect like terms, and then you are getting the final answer. Okay, now 5 minus 5 is here. 5 multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 10. Okay, once I'm going to solve or expand these, so I am getting these, and the final result will be plus 5a plus 3a. It should be 7a. That's great. Error analysis, that is 7. That is, that's great. Thank you, my dear. It's 8a. While minus 10 or minus 12 should be your minus 22. Why we are doing this? I repeated my words, what I was saying in the yes, in last these questions. In that minus minus, the result should be positive. When two signs are going to multiply, okay, minus minus, they are not going to multiply, we are going to collect them. So minus minus will be plus, but the result, we are showing the negative, but what we are doing, going to add them. What we are doing, what we are doing, we are going to add them. But what we are showing, definitely both having the negative sign, so we have to show minus here. But the result is we are adding them. Okay. So my final answer will be 2a, not 2a, it's 8a. Okay, that's great. Sometimes they are giving you check out the numbers. What is wrong here? So what is the error here? 8a. That's great. Okay. Sometimes they are giving you, just you have to check out the error. Okay. So if you know the rule, you can easily get the answer. Now the very interesting question, when I'm going to solve this, I'm getting these. When I'm going to solve these, I'm getting these. But you know what is happening there? 2D or minus 2D, both are cancelled each other. So always according to the situation you have to solve it out. And minus 6 again, minus 2. What is happening there? You know about it. Minus minus, the result will be positive. You are going to add them. 6 plus 2, 8. And this, what about the sign? You are showing the negative sign here. Okay, but what you are doing basically? Going to add that. This is the rule of math. And this is the rule of the world. Okay, now what is happening there? A very simple question. When I'm going to expand these, remove the brackets or the remove the parentheses, and I'm going to collect them. Now look at, it's not necessary always going to add 4x minus 3x. How many x I have? If I'm subtracting, I have 4x and I'm subtracting 3x from there. How many x I have? Now x. Okay, plus 8 plus 6. What I have? Plus 14. Okay, so according to the situation, we have to solve that. Like if I am solving this, I'm getting this. You know, practice make the math perfect. Yes, so 10h plus 3h, 13h, minus 15, minus 6, minus 21. Now, what is happening there? Look at. They are giving you the negative sign outside of it. But we know the rule. It's minus 2. We are not considering only 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied with 24. Minus 48. It's not gram, it's G. You are doing algebra. Okay? And that is, now minus sign is outside. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 5. Minus minus should be plus. They are going to cross. We are not going to add. Minus minus fight together. Minus minus fight together. Going to add. Cross each other. So minus minus should be plus. And what about the number? 5 times 2, it's 10. Am I clear? Yes. And what about this? Minus 2g. That's great. Again, minus minus should be plus. They are going to cross each other. And once they are going to cross each other, look, when they are using these two signs, they are going to cross. Yes, the plus sign will be. Okay. So what is happening there? Minus minus should be plus. And 7 times 2. We are not adding 7 2. It's going to cross. 7 times 2, 14. Minus minus cross plus. Okay, that's great. Okay, so what is happening there? Minus 48 minus 2. We know both having the sign of negativity. You are going to add them. We are not going to multiply. These are the problems you are going to add or subtract. Add or subtract. Okay, I'm going to add or subtract these together. So if I have minus 48, if I have minus 2, what is happening there? We are going to add them. It's not a cross. Okay? We are going to add them because the result is positive. And this number, what we are showing here, minus. Okay? But what we are doing? Going to add them because the effect of these is plus. but what we are showing the negative sign because both the numbers having negativity. Okay, so plus 10 and plus 14, it should be 24. Now the next question, so don't worry about the negative sign, just consider the negative sign with this 3. Now minus 3 is knocking at the door of 2u minus 5, not only 3. Okay, the negative 3 minus 3. Okay, so once this minus 3 is going to knock down, number multiply with number, sign multiply with the sign, alphabet multiply with the alphabet, but there is one alphabet, one variable, so that's why you are not facing the problem. Otherwise, you have to multiply the variables together. In the next coming videos, you will inshallah learn about all these. 3 times 2, 6, and you should be as it is. And what about the sign? Negative sign. Minus minus should be plus. And what about the number? 5 times 3, 50. So what my final result when I'm solving these? 15u minus 6u, that is going to 99u, plus 35 plus 15, what I am getting here, it's 50. Okay, so any question comes in your mind, remember these, practice make the math perfect. Try to solve these type of questions. You can make your own questions and try to solve it, change the variables, change the numbers, try to make your own question and enjoy your math. Really, math is just a fun. So subscribe Math Magician channel, many tips and tricks for you. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye.